It's not too bad. Oh. That's the walnut tree.
Yes.
Alright, there's Pam's house. Still got a light on. It's raining. Nothing crazy. Squirrel friends. So many pine cones. So I just discovered there's a pipe at the side of our driveway draining lots and lots of water. I just checked, it doesn't stink, so it's fresh water, but it's not septic. So yeah, not exactly sure where that's coming from. My guess is up there. So I'm gonna go investigate. Yeah, so I just discovered that drain. I have no idea where it's coming from. My best guess is there's a French drain system along the side of the house, and then it comes to there. That's an old metal pipe, and the water's fresh, so it's not septic. Huh. And most of the water flowing down the street is actually from there. Well, hello, and welcome to the post-apocalyptic, what do they call it? Bomb cyclone day. So we had the bomb cyclone yesterday. I've never heard that term used before in California. Anyway, we had a bunch of rain. We had 10 inches of rain, and it's only October. So we are well on our way to getting some rain this year. And that's very exciting because we've had fires and droughts and everything else in California. So anyway, you can see here the driveway is a little bit of a mess just from the storm. That's just what happens. I started cleaning and I thought, oh, I should make a little video. So before I get there, look how beautiful the forest looks, you guys. Clean the lens a little bit there. Look how beautiful the forest looks. Anyway, so I'm going to do a little cleanup here. And our 1 year anniversary for being in the house is coming up, and our real estate agent wanted to stop by. So I was going to do a little cleanup in the garden. And we've been closed for 3 days for guests because of the storm. But we're going to reopen now that evacuation is gone. So I'll take you guys around and I'll show you what's going on for the little cleanups today. It's not bad. Let me flip you around. So I just dumped out about 6 or 8 inches of water out of the bins. That's why there's this mess going on. But anyway, I'm going to rake this up. I'll go down the street and check that out. You can see a lot of stuff fell, a lot of little stuff, so it's not too bad. Over here we have a couple little branches. Just pick those up. And then maybe I'll do a little cleanup over there. You can see the fall foliage happening. And yeah, I did a lot during the storm to prepare, and also before the storm, so we're good to go. All right, let's do a little cleanup. Well, looks like I might have found another drain, and it's by the telephone pole. There's the cooter. All right, so a little update down here on the driveway. Came down here, and my initial thought, oh, excuse me, I had to bend over, was to just trim up the bay tree a little bit because this is where I parked my car, and it was hanging down. But then I got going and kind of cleaned up the whole parking area here. So I got a pile there, 2 piles down there, and a pile over here. I cleaned up the driveway a little bit. So there's a saw. The problem with this property is it's never ending. So I have to draw a line about what I'm gonna do. I only got 1 green bin. Oh, and our neighbor had a limb go through the house, I think. So anyway, cleaning this up, trying to limit my project here to what I can do today, how much green bin I have. So I'm going to pick up these. Also, while I was cleaning over there by the telephone pole, you see there's a sloppy mess. I thought I discovered another drain, but it might just be a draining gopher hole, so I'm not quite sure. So, all right, let's clean up some more. Well, if there's anything that this house is teaching me in life, it's that I need to portion out my energies because I can't do it all in one day. So anyway, yeah. So my initial goal today was to get out and to clean up the area around the orange tree and lemon tree because our real estate agent is coming, and I want her to see it nice because she gave us those. So let me show you what I actually got done, and I got a little bit of that done too. All right, so I got this whole area cleaned up here. This is like a parking area. Cut the bushes way back over here. I think it looks pretty good. Cleaned this up, all the duff. I also did a little sideline here. The driveway's a mess, but hopefully it's going to be drier tomorrow, so I'll blow that. That's not a big deal. But you can see the dark line here is where I raked, and the street, the bin is full. So back over here again, I was just letting our neighbors pass so they weren't in the video. Anyway, yeah, so back over here, it looks nice and clean. Totally cut the bushes back, took out some blackberries back there, and I totally trimmed the bay tree up. I'll show you clippings in a minute because I'm going to save those and sell them. But so yeah, I think it looks much better. Clean there, clean there. So yeah, happy with that. And just for comparison, so that dark area looked like the red area, so that's clean. Here you can see all the bay leaves that I trimmed. I'm gonna set some of those aside for our real estate agent, and I'll clean up, I'll get rid of the ones with bug bites. We'll just do nice fresh and put those on Etsy. I'll dry them, put them on Etsy if you guys are interested. Check out my Etsy. The drain I discovered today, and man, it's still really flowing. I'd say like, I don't know, at least a gallon a minute, maybe more. Right, in the upper garden here, which was my goal originally, I'll blow this tomorrow for the guests. My goal was to clean out this area where we have the citrus trees. So we have one there. Didn't get that one yet. But our real estate agent gave us these two last year. And I wanted to make sure it was cleaned up. It looks nice. And it does. It's even some fruit. Yeah, I cleaned this up a little bit. I'll get it in the compost pile, but I'm tired. And it's raining. Right. So overall, I think a very good day. Got some stuff done, been out here for about 2+ hours. And look at the mint. Mint is growing. Mint is growing well. But yeah. Anyway, I'm feeling good about the progress I made today. Got the green bin full. It's only Monday. Has to be out by Wednesday. So that's good. Just pulling some stuff down. And yeah. Alright, you guys. I'm Robert Jones. It's The Forest Life. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. Just trying to have some fun and share what's going on. And a little wet. For closing, I'm going to show you the beautiful apricot tree and how it's turning gold. Alright, you guys. Bye. Look at the apricot tree. It's just beautifully fall colored. I love it. And that down there is a wine grape behind it, but I have no idea what it's doing. It's losing its leaves, so maybe I'll have to learn how to prune that. All right. Bye.